I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture, let's go ahead and learn about getting a substring. So here I will teach you how to get a substring. Let's say in a string, you go ahead and tick off just any one of them that you need and display that. Let's say you have a string of name, and that is equal to, this is a sub of Mr. Peter. I just wrote anything, okay? So this is a sub of Mr. Peter. I'll go ahead and place semicolon at the end. Alright, now you'll want to get a substring of this string. This is a sub of Mr. Peter, and what you need is, maybe you want to just get Mr.Peter. Alright, so how can you be able to do that? You can go ahead and say console dot or write line, and then to get this, what you want is just Mr. Peter. I want to just print out Mr. Peter. First of all, you have to count these by a character and know how many characters are there, and you have to know the index of this character as a Kim. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Alright, so this is 17, and remember that it's basically just a character. Okay. So all we need to do is to go ahead and pass in name right in here. So console.writeLine and pass in the value of name right in there. Now, once you pass in the value of name right in there, you go ahead and say string. Let's say string subname. That is the name of that string subname equal to name dot substring. Alright, so we counted that. This starts from 18, but I want to include space, so I will be sure of these. Go ahead and put 17. So from 17, we print it out, put a comma and end. Alright, so go ahead and put a semicolon at the end of this so you don't run into a problem. Alright, now you can now go ahead and say console dot writeLine, and then you go ahead and pass in subname right in there. Subname, put a semicolon at the end. So we'll print out the string name. This is a sub of Mr. Peter, and go ahead and print out Mr. Peter. Run this code and check it out. Alright, so remember to put a console.read key so it can be, you will not run into problem. Console.read key and plus semicolon. Copy all this. Put it right inside static void main. Run this code again, or let's check it out. Still seems there's an error right there. So, check it out. So, this is a sub of Mr. Peter, and Mr. Peter is the substring of this is a sub of Mr. Peter. Can you see that? So, in that way, you can just count the number you want. Maybe this is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you can just count to print out just Mr. Peter. Let's say 20, and run this code. Let's check it out. Okay, so that Peter is printed out. Alright. So in a case you want to print out, maybe you want to print out just pet, and you can ignore this because whatever you click 20 to print out whatever is remaining here. If you go ahead and select 5, it might print out all this. So if you want to print out just pet out of pita, you can go ahead and say starting from P, then end in 3 or 4. Go ahead and run this code and check it out. P, so that space right here is included. Let's take this to be 21, and now run this code. That should be pet. So you can see pet from there. Alright, so you can also maybe starting from want to print out only these. You should go ahead and set this and go ahead and start one right there. You should print out everything, check it out. So you see that it started because the first one is index 0. So we start from his is a sub of Mr. Pita. Now go ahead and say 0, 4. So 0, 4 is going to print out this. Check it out. This prints it out. This is printed out. So in that way, you can be able to choose the part you want to print and how many letter ways you want to print out, and then you go ahead and print that out. That is very easy. So put this down, you want to play around with it and check out more on that. And in case if you have any question, go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.